get it in through here. Nothing. As a matter of fact, all day we have watched this precip breakup. This is the upper support for the entire system. The center of it back in through here, and really the best concentration of snow is in southeast Nebraska and far southwestern Iowa. So that begs the question, as we look at this precipitation field, what is happening, and how is our pattern going to change because of this?
Yeah, well, we're seeing this storm kind of get torn apart by the jet stream. We have a couple of different pieces of the jet stream that are kind of opposing each other and stretching the storm out and weakening it as it moves toward the east coast. So let's look at the satellite, and you can see that in a cloud stream, basically high clouds streaming very quickly off to the northeast. Jim, I was just looking at some of the observations here, and the winds were up to 160 miles an hour at the jet stream level.
Cat 5.
Cat 5 at 30,000 feet. They have one branch of the jet stream right here, and then another one here. Again, they're coming at it, this area in the central plains, from different directions. So the storm that's right here is getting squished and stretched out very quickly out to the northeast. Here's that little disturbed area in the jet stream right in here. This is what we're going to watch over the next couple of days. And watch, there it is, this area shaded in green in the jet flow. It is going to get peeled and torn apart to the east, and really nothing will be left of it by Wednesday.
So bottom line, when the jets come together like that, it's not favorable for storms, right?
No, it is not. No.
When they come together.
That's exactly right. That is generally true. There will be maybe some areas of showers on the south side of that confluent flow, which is sometimes what we see at upper levels. But really, we're not expecting any big storms, and that's exactly right, Jim. So what we're looking at here is basically a weakening event, and this is going to be the theme now for several days leading toward the end of this week. We're still going to continue with basically two pieces of the jet stream. Now, this is Friday. We're going to still see some of that. There may be some energy leaking into the southern stream here, and there may be some occasional, unsettled weather in the south, but no big storms, doesn't look like.
So before you advance that, cold air stays bottled up with this jet.
Yeah.
Warm air, storm track stays down through here, and never the two shall meet, or what?
It doesn't look like it, no.
Or at least in the near term.
Right. These two are not going to face together. They're going to kind of remain at odds with each other, and they're not going to be dancing together in unison. But what we are watching is a ridge in the ridge in the jet stream in the west. And that is a sign that much warmer air is really now beginning to fill this very space where it was way below average for so long, for much of December. It was very cold, and ultimately early next week we're going to start to see above average temperatures across the country, and maybe even some golfing weather as well.
Golfers green now in the south?
I think so. In the southeast. It should be pretty nice.
So yeah, temperatures could be in the 60s.
60s, yeah, I think so.
So you will see guys and gals out there teeing it up once again.
I do believe so.
All right, Todd and Kyle, we'll see you on the green.
Sounds good. Happy New Year, gentlemen, by the way, and Happy New Year to you, Todd.
A very Happy New Year.
Thank you. Stay with us. Weather Center Live continues next.
Yeah, Chris, Crystal, and Jim will have the very latest forecast for your New Year's Eve, plus a live report coming up from Times Square, the middle of it all.
And